While creating an Excel workbook, all tasks are performed in a worksheet. Therefore, in order to get better results from Excel usage, you need to understand worksheet components thoroughly. This includes but not limited to the following basic worksheet components: adding a worksheet, renaming a worksheet, hiding a worksheet, unhiding a worksheet, deleting a worksheet, protecting a worksheet, unprotecting a worksheet. Now we will discuss each of these items one by one. Since we have already discussed about adding a new worksheet, therefore I am going to skip this and move to second item, that is, renaming a worksheet. By default, sheet names are generic and requires renaming, so as to identify the purpose for which they are being created. For example, you are creating an expense worksheet and wants to change its name from Sheet 2 to Expenses. In order to do so, bring mouse pointer to the worksheet, say Sheet 2. Click mouse right button. From pop-up menu, select Rename. This will allow editing sheet name. Press Delete button to remove current sheet name. You may also hide one or many worksheets in your workbook. This may be for different purposes like data security, or effective management of worksheets, especially when the number of worksheets in a workbook are quite large in number and it is not convenient to navigate between them. To hide a worksheet, bring mouse pointer to the Expenses worksheet created in last exercise. Click mouse right button. From pop-up menu, select Hide. This action will hide the Expenses worksheet. In next topic, we will discuss unhiding a worksheet. At any point in time, you may require to unhide any of your existing hidden worksheets for visibility or editing purpose. To unhide a worksheet, bring mouse pointer to any of the worksheet, say Sheet 1. Click mouse right button. From pop-up menu, select Unhide. This will open a dialog box titled Unhide. Select the sheet that you want to unhide. Select Expenses worksheet that was hidden in last exercise. As a result, Expenses sheet will appear again in the workbook. In next topic, we will discuss deleting a worksheet. There may be instances where one or few of your working sheets becomes redundant or non-useful and keeping them part of the workbook is no more required. In this case, it would be appropriate to remove these worksheets from the book. To carry out this task, bring mouse pointer to the worksheet. Say Expenses. Click mouse right button. From pop-up menu, select Delete from the list. If there is a data in the sheet, then a warning message will appear, stating that you cannot undo deleting this sheet, and data in the sheet will be lost. Click on Delete button to complete this action. As a result, this sheet will be deleted from book. In next topic, we will discuss protecting a worksheet. In day-to-day Excel usage, especially in businesses, it becomes important to maintain the sanctity of the data by disallowing any changes in the workbook, either intentionally or accidentally. This can be done by protecting a worksheet by applying password. For this purpose, users have multiple options to protect the worksheet components including formatting, insertion, deletion, etc. In our example, we will apply password protection on Sheet 1. To do so, bring mouse pointer to Sheet 1. Click mouse right button and select Protect. This will open Protect Sheet dialog box. Enter password of your choice in password entry field. Click on OK button. This will open a confirmation dialog box asking for re-entry of password. Re-enter the password. Click on OK button to apply the changes. Next time when you try to make any changes in the worksheet, it will show a warning message stating that it is a protected sheet and to make changes, unprotect the same. In order to unprotect a working sheet for subsequent usage, click on Review option in ribbon menu and select Unprotect Sheet. Enter password in the Unprotect Sheet dialog box and click on OK button. Now you can do editing in this worksheet. This ends our lesson 4 for this course. Next lesson is for available functions for rows and columns.